Welcome all. This video is about control structures in C++. There are three types of control structures in C++. First of all, what is meant by control structures or control statements? Control statements are the statements used to control the flow of execution in C++. First type is decision making statements, second one iterative statements, third one jump statements. This video is about only decision making statements. The decision making statements decides which part or which statement to be executed based on some condition. First, it evaluates a condition, and based on the condition's value, either true or false, it executes the statements. First, if statement and its various types. There are four types of if statements in C++. They are simple if statements, if-else statement, third one if else statement, and the last one nested else if statements. First one simple if statement. Consider the syntax: if condition open braces statements to be executed close braces. It first checks the condition. If it is true, then the statements within the block will be executed. Otherwise, the control jumps out. It is the flowchart for simple if statement. The control first comes to the condition. It checks the condition. If it is true, the code inside the if condition body will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition becomes false, the code after the if statement will be executed. That is, the control jumps out of the if statement body. Second one, if else statement. If condition open braces statements to be executed if condition is true close braces, else open braces statements to be executed if condition is false close braces. It checks the condition. If it is true, the statements under the if block will be executed. The first block of statements is called as true block statements or if block statement. The second set of statements are called as else block statement or false block statement. If the condition true, then the true block will be executed. Otherwise, the false block will be executed. Then only the control jumps out of the if statement. This is the flowchart for if else statement. The control comes inside the if statement. It checks the condition. If it is true, the if code or if block or the true block will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition becomes false, the else block code or the false block code will be executed. Then the control jumps out of the loop. The third type is if else statement. It checks the condition first. If it is true, then the statement block 1 will be executed. Otherwise, if condition 1 is false, then it checks the condition 2. If the condition 2 becomes true, the statement block 2 will be executed. Otherwise, if condition 2 is false, then the statement under the else block will be executed. Whenever condition becomes false, the statements under the block will be executed. Then control jumps out of the statement. Then nested else if statement. It uses multiple else if statements. That means multiple conditions checking. First, it checks the condition 1. It is true, statement block 1 will be executed. If condition 1 is true, then the condition 2 in first else if will be executed. If condition 2 true, then the statement block 2 will be executed. Otherwise, condition 3 will be executed. If it is true, statement blocks 3 will be executed. Otherwise, at last, the statements under the else block will be executed after checking multiple else if statements.